brown fur. So for them, they're young, they will have more prominent white spots across their body, but it will fade away as they grow up. So this is all female hog deer. They don't have antlers, only the male they have antlers. Yeah. So right now this is their resting spots. And further inside, you can see there's a deer with a white spots across their body. So it's right at the back, behind. So that one is called the axis deer. So the axis deer are also all female. They have, compared to the hog deer, they have white spots across their body and white patches from their throat down to their body as well, the legs. So the axis deer are bigger than the hog deers. And one fun fact about our axis deer is that they can run up to about 40 miles per hour. So if you compare that to the fastest man, Usain Bolt on earth, who can only run up to 27 miles per hour. So that's how fast they can run.
It's not a mouse deer, it's a hog deer.
Hog deer and axis deer, 都是小 deer，
But the hog is
Oh yeah, different.